everyone, we're here at Intersolar Europe 2024. Fritjof, many of the first generation solar trackers were using 2.4 GHz, for instance technologies like Zigbee. However, many of those companies are seeing benefits in going sub-gigahertz. So can you tell me some of those benefits?
Yeah, so first of all, by going down in frequency, we get much better range. So it means that we can cover a much larger area. And by going down in frequency, we are also much better suited to cope with uneven terrain. And when we have a better communication range, also means that we will have fewer communication hops in the system, giving us much lower latency for the communication between the SCADA system and the solar trackers. In general, we are able to have a significant increase in the number of trackers we can manage per gateway.
But we have a technology like LoRa who also uses sub-gigahertz. So how does RIIM technology compare to LoRa?
So RIIM technology from Radiocrafts is a high data rate protocol, allowing you to do firmware over-the-air updates in just a few minutes. This is not feasible with LoRa. Also, our RIIM Sub-GHz mesh technology is designed to be well suited for SCADA-like application, where you need low latency and high throughput also on the downlink to send control messages, for instance, to the solar tracker. And this is of paramount when you want to do, for instance, have the solar trackers move into safe position in the case of high wind or hailstorm.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.